Srimad Bhagavatam Mahaparana ki. We're continuing verse 38 where the gopis are saying, O Sham, O vanquisher of all distress, please show us your mercy. To approach your lotus feet, we gave up our families and homes and we don't have any other desire than to serve you. Our hearts are burning with intense desires generated by you, by your beautiful smiling glances. O Purusha Bhushana, jewel among men, please make us your maidservants. So in the last 3 verses we've been discussing the gopis mentioning all the time about Krishna's lotus feet. And they want some position there. Just give us the dust of your lotus feet. Because previously they had asked for his lips, and they wanted to be showered with the nectar shower from his Adar Amritam, Sinchanga Adar Amritam. They wanted to be, their whole beings to be drenched with the love kisses of their beloved Krishna. And he didn't show any response at all, didn't move an eyebrow, didn't twitch his nose, didn't show any response at all. So then they said, all right, that's not working, let's try a little more humble approach. So the humble approach is go down to the feet. So in 3 verses, they're asking for the feet. So they're begging for some seva. So we just thought we mentioned that even the gopis are over and over again stressing Krishna's feet. And they'll take any position with Krishna, even at his feet. They don't really care where they are. And then they talk about Brijina. Brijina means, one meaning of the word Brijina, it says Briji Ardhana, means take away. So it means to stress. The gopis are completely pure and pavitram. So they're saying, oh, we're so much in distress without your service. We're feeling so empty and worthless. What's the meaning of being a devotee if we don't have your service? So they're saying, this is our distress. Our distress is not our hearts are burning with lust. Our distress is not that we want a partner or want a life's companion or we want someone to fulfill our loving impulses. Our distress is that we can't serve you, and we've come here to serve you, and you invited us to serve you. Krishna played his flute and invited the gopis, please come and serve me and love me. I want to relish and taste your love. I want to receive your service and give you my love and service in return. Yes, Krishna also serves his devotees. God also serves his devotees. When Krishna sees that the gopis are perspiring from the fatigue of spinning and dancing in the Rasa, oh, there's so much perspiration in your face. Let me take my chadar. Then Krishna, he wipes the perspiration from their face like a humble valet or a humble servant of the king or the queen. Dasosmi. So Krishna he's Dasyano Dasyano Dasi. He's a servant of the servants of Radharani. Sometimes he bribes the manjaris. The manjaris are the servants of the servants of the servants of Radharani, and Krishna lines up there. So Krishna becomes a das to the dasis because he's male. So he's a Dasyano 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 Das. Krishna serves the manjaris who serve the Yuteshwaris who serve Radharani most intimately and directly, most of the time. Depends on how you want to see it. Because everyone has their own Radha and Krishna and their own Leelas, with alone and with all the other associates also.